how to delete other storage on Android. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can delete your other storage on Android. Simply open up your Android phone, go into the settings, and then after that from over here, simply scroll down till you see storage over here. So if you don't see storage over here, simply click on the top right on the search bar on your Android phone, type in storage. So when you do this, it is gonna take you over here. So over here you guys can see all your storage divided up into section. We have images, videos, audio, documents, applications, and everything else. So now from over here, I want you to simply click on others. So now from over here, I want you to just simply start deleting the files that you think are bad. So over here, you have the large file, then you also have the duplicate files as well. So if you guys want to see what this other files are, well then simply go into your file explorer, simply type in file explorer, and then after that from over here you guys will be able to see your storage. So now from over here you guys can just simply go into your internal storage and take a look in the downloads folder. Over here you will have many things that are part of the other category and that are taking up so much space on your phone. You can also analyze your storage. You can also go to the recycle bin, and then you can delete other stuff from over here as well to make sure that you free up the most storage. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care. Till next time, like, subscribe, and goodbye.